This side ain't gonna win. Huh? I got this side. Oh, he ain't got no seats. Damn. Damn, man, you ain't got no seat. I was about to ask for a ride, but shit, you ain't got no seat.
Right in the back.
Damn.
I'm getting back tired in the head.
Where y'all going? This right line getting back tired in the head. Oh, they been 100. Is he giving her back time? Oh, he ain't catching that. That was too much.
He was gonna take right off.
Yeah.
He didn't I tried to warn him. I tried to warn him.
Yeah, he can.
He can't let him get right like that.
Yeah.
Man, what's wrong with this dude, man?
Hey. Man, what's wrong with this dude, man? They said it wasn't set up though.
Oh, no, that wasn't. I don't think that was a setup, Ray.
No, that wasn't.
He gave him too much.
Yeah.
I don't think that was a setup.
He gave him too much.
I don't understand why he didn't take right off, though.
Yeah.
He let the man lead.
To the 60 foot.
You can't let a Ford get in front of you, Tyrone. Because if you do, it's going to be.
Hey, be real though.
That man beat that man.
He would have beat him, right?
He can't beat him head up.
He let him lead.
You can't beat him head up.
What's going on right here? Hey. I need to pull the car.
If you haven't followed Look on Racing, what the fuck are you doing? Do that, man, bro.
Already.
You already know.
I need to pull the car, or we need to wait till next time. If I put it up, y'all gonna have to watch it. Y'all feel like watching the car and driving it up to the stage?
We'll be here.
Do y'all feel like driving the car up to the stage?
I'm not driving, though.
Okay.
No,
Not even to the stage in line.
I'm not driving.
Okay. That's a bit understandable. Mike Steele. What the hell going on? Well, I ain't heard nothing like that. Okay, he got a power glide.
I love seeing you here, bro.
Yeah.
I love seeing you here.
Already. I be live all the time. You be watching?
Yup.
Okay, she be watching y'all. She be watching. I'm happy now. I'm finna get you some stickers now. I'm finna get you some stickers. I'm finna go get them. Let me get them some stickers since you talking about she watching me all night. Okay.
See, you get at that big block right there.
Yeah.
They
got the big.
to clean up.
Oh, they got some oil to clean up. Okay. They got some oil to clean up.
Hey, Tyrone, I'm gonna give you $20 to go set it up.
Here, give me $20. I'll set it up.
I'm gonna set it up, but they ain't gonna raise.
Put the stickers and put that whole my I'm gonna put it in my car for real.
Boom. You ain't got no more? I'm gonna get you one right now. Huh? What's up with it? Got my boy Yello on the building.
Go tell that BMW and that white Mustang to come back and run it up. He want to bet 500.
Oh yeah?
Tell him to bring it back.
I might have to stay home and do it, man. Go on.
I'm finna go get them. I'm finna go get them right now. I'm finna go get them.
Okay, go set it up.
You say the BMW
And the white Mustang.
500. Nah, the same race.
Nah, head up.
Head up. Head up.
Oh yeah, nah, that's been on good.
Hey, Quinn, what's up?
Look out, look out.
I better try to knock Shane out for that bitch ass video he made.
Oh yeah.
Tell the bitch ass nigga come on burn out.
Let me see. There goes Shane. Shane, man, your opponent over there upset about that video you made. Yeah, he seen your video.
I'm finna make another one.
Yeah.
Watch this.
What side y'all got? Oh, everybody been with the left lane on TikTok. Shane, TikTok going against you. They saying my boy right here finna get you. It's a 25 to 9 vote. You have been outnumbered, Shane. They saying he finna get you. $28, 30 to 10. Oh yeah, he done glued down and everything, boy. Shane finna try to do something. All my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all head over to my YouTube channel.